This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the automatic video cache cleanup option or function on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to enter the camera view of the DJI Go 4 app. Next, launch settings by pressing those three dots and select the general settings category. That's those three dots you'll find to your left. Now scroll all the way down and look for the auto video cache cleanup toggle, which you can enable to, well, activate the automatic video cache erasal if the device storage is insufficient, or if you do not want for your storage to be automatically managed in this way, or, well, through this option, you can toggle it off at any time. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.